Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we are looking at arsenic in you at the effects of arsenic in children. So arsenic is in food, drinking water, and other sources and can be unsafe for babies and children. So what happens when they're exposed? Why is arsenic bad for babies and children? Well, young children have very small bodies and eat more food per pound of body weight than adults as they grow. And as a result, they get more arsenic than food or drinks compared to adults. Also, babies and young children can be more sensitive to harmful effects of arsenic because of their bodies are rapidly growing, and they may not have fully developed systems to get rid of harmful chemicals as well as adults. For babies and kids, studies have shown that having arsenic in their bodies over time can lead to lower IQ, impaired brain development, growth problems, breathing problems, an unhealthy immune system, and cancer as an adult. So arsenic can cross the placenta, which means that a pregnant woman's arsenic exposure through food and water may affect her baby's growth and development or lead to health problems later on in his or her life. So drink safe water. If you have a private well, test your water for arsenic. If your well has arsenic, switch to bottled water for drinking and cooking immediately, and learn about your options for getting arsenic out of your drinking water. If your drinking water comes from a public source, then arsenic levels are monitored, but you can also double check the amount of arsenic in your water by accessing your Consumer Confidence Report or Water Quality Report. While arsenic must be 10 parts per billion or less in public water as required by federal law, making sure any arsenic in your water is close to zero as possible is better for your child or baby. And if you're not sure about the source of safety of your tap water, you can use bottled water to mix your baby formula until you are sure your home water supply is as close to zero arsenic as possible. Also, some things to do are making sure they wash their hands if they play outside. And how can you reduce arsenic for your children, especially in water? If you have a private well, test your water for arsenic. If your well contains arsenic 5 parts per billion, switch to bottled water. Some pitcher filters are certified for arsenic removal and are a good short-term solution. You can check for certification by the National Sanitation Foundation and be sure the pitcher reduces arsenic to below 10 parts per billion. And also change filters regularly to ensure continuous arsenic removal. Carbon-based water pitcher filters do not remove arsenic. Boiling your water does not remove arsenic. So you need to install a treatment system. Now, if you are pregnant or if you have young kids, look for a treatment system that lowers arsenic levels as close to zero as possible. Some treatment systems remove arsenic from just a single tap, just like your kitchen sink. And if you choose that system, make sure your kids don't swallow water while bathing or brushing their teeth. So those are some good tips to definitely protect your children from arsenic exposure. But it's always a good idea to have your water periodically tested so you know that there isn't any arsenic in your water and you can keep your children safe.